So we're in Wondershare Filmora right now, which is the first one that you're going to use, and basically you want to import your video. So my video is literally just a stock video, there's nothing more to it, it's literally just a stock video, but you guys are going to want to import the video that you're actually using. And then what you want to do, pretty basic, just press export, and then, you know, do your own little thing, like make your name, where you want it to be, what format. I suggest MP4, but do what you want to do. Quality, resolution, frame rate, all of that doesn't really care to me. But you want to press export with watermark, and then we're just gonna export. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna get rid of the auto highlights because I don't really need it. But if you need it for your video, then I suggest you use it because it might enhance your video just a little bit. But because it's a stock video, it doesn't matter to me. But you see, my exporting process, whatever you want to call it, is done. And then what you now want to do is you want to take this clip right here without the watermark. You want to flip that bad boy upside down.
That's what she said.
Just flip it. There you go, completely flipped. And then you're going to press export again, which is a little confusing, I know. Just press export. I'm actually going to go back because I forgot to name it the right thing that I wanted to name it. I'm going to press upside down so it just like doesn't get confused. And then you want to press export with watermark, and then just let it do its thing. And then I'm going to get rid of the auto highlight because I really don't need it. But again, if you need it, you can use it. And now it's all fully exported, and we're going to close Filmora because we really just don't need it. I'm going to don't save because it's just a stock video to me. You can get out of here, and now we're going to open CapCut. And with CapCut, what you want to do, you want to press new project. Oh, it glitched. Okay, we have it back now. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to import both of those videos. So I'm going to quickly go do that. Okay, so we have both of the videos here. Let me just put them right here. So you see this is the upside down one, and this is the, oh god, why is it so glitchy? Okay, so this is the upside down one. With the upside down one, you want to turn it right side up. Like, hold up, like that. You want to turn it right side up and put it on top of the one that was already right side up. So you see, it looks like this. It's confusing. And the end, there's this little thing here. You can just get rid of that. I'm just going to cut it at a random place because it doesn't matter to me. But I suggest that you cut it at the exact end of your video so you don't lose any editing that you've already edited. And then you want to go on the top video and you want to go to mask. And then you want to go to, I think it's either, it's horizontal. Go to horizontal, and then as you can see right here, just go dab right in the middle, and boom, the watermark is completely gone. I'm actually kind of proud of that. The watermark is completely gone, the video still looks the same, and yeah, then after that all you want to do is export. I'm going to export it as my new video, and then just press export. I'm going to wait for this to be done. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's already exported actually, but what we're